Okay, we're on problem number 88. Let's go to whiteboard and let's walk through it. And this is problem 88. And 88 is going to be the, let's see, the sine to the fourth power. It's number 88. Give me a second to get my pen out. So 88, and it's the sine. We're looking for the antiderivative, the fourth degree sine dx. And the way I would do this one is I'd split it into two terms now. Two factors. Sine squared times cosine squared. And I use this identity, I'll write it down for you. Cosine of 2 theta is going to be 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. So sine squared theta is going to be 1 minus cosine 2 theta over 2. So let's write that down. This is going to be 1 minus cosine 2 theta over 2. 1 minus cosine 2 theta. I'm sorry, not theta. I have theta in my brain after saying that. And let me get my eraser out. And I'm going to erase this over here. It's not 2 theta, it's 2x. Sorry about that. dx. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to multiply it. And when you do that, you get 1/4. And then you get 1 times 1 is 1. Then you get 2 cosine 2x plus cosine squared 2x dx. Well, I'm going to use this one again. Cosine of 2 theta is going to be 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. Cosine 2 theta plus 1 over 2 is cosine squared theta. What are we trying to do? Reduce the power. That's all we're doing. Let's write this down, 1/4. And let's see what you get there. You get 1 minus 2 cosine 2x. Gotta be careful now. And that's cosine squared of 2x. So that's going to be cosine 4x. Let's see, plus 1 over 2 dx. I'm going to factor a 2 out. I get 1/8. Let's see, when I factor a 2 out, this would be 2. When I say a 2 on the bottom. Minus 4 cosine 2x. And then cosine 4x plus 1 dx. I keep rewriting. And I get 1/8. I get 3 minus 4 cosine 2x plus the cosine of 4x dx. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to do the antiderivative. 1/8, that would be 3x minus 4 sine of 2x over 2. Let's see, plus the sine of 4x over 4 plus some constant integration. Just going to clean it up a tiny little bit. And to do that, I guess what I'm going to do, maybe distribute the 1/8 across. What do you get? You get 3a of an x minus, let's see, 2 goes into 4 twice, and 2 goes into 4 times. So I get sine 2x over 4. Let me just check that. Yeah, that's good. And then plus sine of 4x over 32 plus c. Put a little box on this. Get my red pen out. I want to see how I did with the answer key. I see this. I see that. And I see a mistake over here somewhere. And I'm wondering where the mistake came from. I'm going to look at it. It's either in my key or it's in the on my notes here. And again, all I can do is carefully look at my key right now. I'm looking at it. I'm looking at the paper key. And I think I see the answer. My key is incorrect, by the way. So I need to correct my key. I'll write that down in my key. You're not going to see that, though. So the key will be corrected. All right, thank you.